Hi friend, you're welcome once again to iTech and thank you for choosing this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check if someone is tracking your WhatsApp location. If someone is tracking your WhatsApp location, this is very important thing that you need to do. You need to know as a WhatsApp user, you need to check if someone is monitoring you on WhatsApp. So without wasting much time, let's start. For you to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp location, what you have to do is that you have to go to your WhatsApp. Okay, you just open your WhatsApp app, then you will see three dot line at the top right corner. Okay, so when you see that three dot line, then just click on that. Okay, so you click on that, then you scroll down, then you see settings there. Hit on settings. Okay, now after settings, go to account. Click on account. Now after clicking on account, you will see privacy. Then you click on privacy. Then after privacy, scroll down, you will see live location. You see live location. You click on that. Now if you click on that, you should see that you shouldn't see anything there. Okay, you shouldn't see anything there, but in case you click there and you see maybe a device name there, yes, the device name there, you see something there, that means that someone is tracking your location. If you see something there, that means someone is tracking your location. But if you see something, you don't have to be panicked. It's easy to lock the person out. Just tap on it and disable it or lock the person out. So this is how you can check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp movement by tracking you. Thank you for watching this video. I know this video will help you a lot. Thank you. See you in the next video.